Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Don't skip this video. Add photo gallery. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me. Open color mix. Adjust yellow color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust green color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust violet color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust blue color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust orange color. Adjust saturation. Adjust hue. Adjust luminous. Click to done. Adjust temperature. Adjust tint. Adjust vibrance. Adjust saturation. Open Light Tools. Adjust exposure. Adjust contrast. Adjust highlights. Adjust whites. Adjust blacks. Adjust curve. Download preset in description. Click to done. Please subscribe my channel. Open effects. Adjust texture. Adjust clarity. Adjust vignette. Adjust midpoint. Adjust feather. Adjust highlights. Adjust to ace. Open masking. Adjust color. Adjust temperature. Adjust tint. Adjust saturation. Export image. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me.